Are you tired of the grind, wishing there was an easier way to make money without sacrificing your comfort? In today's video, we're uncovering the 7 laziest ways to make money online. Methods are so effortless. Without further ado, let's dive in. First way, proofreading with ChatGPT. Let's start with a straightforward yet highly effective way to make money: proofreading. Now, before you dismiss the idea, consider this. You don't have to do the proofreading yourself. Instead, you can leverage a free AI tool like ChatGPT to handle all the work. Here's how it works. Register on a freelancing platform like guru.com and offer proofreading services. When a client sends you a document to proofread, simply copy and paste the text into ChatGPT. The AI will correct any errors, and you can then deliver the polished document back to your client, getting paid for the work. People are earning anywhere from $15 to $100 per hour doing this, and with ChatGPT, you'll be able to work faster than others in the market. Just let ChatGPT take care of the tedious proofreading tasks. You get paid, your clients receive flawless text, and everyone wins. To increase your earnings, consider offering additional services like editing or formatting. With tools like Grammarly and ChatGPT, you can provide these services without much extra effort, leading to higher rates and more money, all while staying cozy in your favorite spot. Second way, transcribing with AI tools. If you enjoy listening to podcasts or speeches, this method could be your ideal way to earn money. Transcribing audio can earn you between 30 cents and $1 per minute on platforms like Rev.com. But we're not taking the hard route. Let's keep it simple. Sign up on Rev.com and Rhythmex.com, then receive audio files to transcribe. Upload these files to Rhythmex.com and let the AI convert them into text. Once done, submit the text back to Rev.com and get paid. It's that easy. You could be making up to $120 just by letting the AI do the heavy lifting while you relax with your favorite podcast. This approach is so laid back that you can do it while lying in bed. The best part is that you don't even need to understand the audio, just let the AI handle it. To make it even easier, you can automate the file uploading process with tools like Zapier, so the only effort required is getting up to grab a snack. Third way, Faceless YouTube channels. One of the most popular and profitable methods for the more laid-back entrepreneurs out there is creating faceless YouTube channels. This strategy can generate significant passive income without ever showing your face on camera. Here's how to do it. Use AI tools to generate scripts, then head over to 11 Labs to create realistic voiceovers. Combine these with visuals from InVideo.io, and you've got a complete video ready to upload to YouTube. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With regular uploads, you can make money even in your sleep. Some people are making thousands of dollars from videos they posted years ago. The beauty of this method is that it's a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. Once the videos are up, they continue to earn views and revenue without any additional work. For even more success, focus on trending topics to keep viewers coming back over time. Consider creating multiple channels in various niches to diversify your income streams, like having multiple money trees in your backyard. Fourth way, selling AI-generated art on Wirestock. If you're interested in art but not in the actual creation process, this method is perfect for you. Wirestock.io allows you to sell photos, videos, and AI-generated art with minimal effort. Here's how you can succeed with this lazy method. Use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create stunning visuals. Upload these images to Wirestock.io, participate in challenges for a chance to win extra cash, track your earnings, and enjoy making money from art you didn't even create yourself. This is an easy way to earn money with just a few clicks, letting AI handle the creative work. You can feel like an artist without the hard work. Just sit back, relax, and let the AI produce beautiful pieces that generate a steady income. To maximize your earnings, don't limit yourself to just one platform. Upload your creations to multiple stock photo websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. The more places your art is available, the higher your chances of making a sale. It's like casting a wide net in the ocean of online income opportunities. Fifth way, high-ticket YouTube automation. While regular YouTube automation is profitable, high-ticket YouTube automation is where you can really make money. This method focuses on niches with high CPM cost per 1,000 impressions and promotes high-ticket products. Here's the strategy. Choose a niche with a high CPM, such as finance or technology. Use AI tools to create valuable content and promote high-ticket affiliate products in your videos. You can monetize your content through YouTube ads and by selling these high-ticket items. This approach allows you to make significant income with less effort. Work smarter, not harder. The best part? You can automate most of the process using AI tools, making this one of the easiest and most lucrative ways to make money online. To ensure success, be consistent with your uploads, engage with your audience, and stay on top of the latest trends. Sixth way, like and post with like for like. Bots engagement is crucial on social media, and platforms like likeforlike.org allow you to earn credits by engaging with other people's posts. But why do the work yourself when you can automate it? Sign up on likeforlike.org. Install a bot that automatically likes posts for you, and use the earned credits to boost your own social media accounts. You can then sell these grown accounts on platforms like FameSwap for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. For even greater success, create accounts in various niches. This way, you can sell different types of accounts to a wider range of buyers, increasing your chances of making sales. It's like having a diversified portfolio of digital real estate. Seventh way, high-payout partner products. Affiliate marketing has always been a great way to make money, but promoting high-payout partner products takes it to the next level. Here's how you can make substantial income with minimal effort. Find high-payout products on platforms like ClickBank or Digistore24. Create content to promote these products, whether it's blogs, videos, or social media posts. Use AI tools to quickly generate this content and earn more commissions from each sale. Focus on products that offer at least $250 per sale, so you'll need only a few sales each month to make a significant income. This method pairs perfectly with other lazy strategies, such as running a blog or YouTube channel, to maximize your earnings. It's like being a salesperson who never has to leave the comfort of their couch. And don't forget to use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to promote your affiliate links. These platforms can drive traffic to your content and boost your sales. It's like casting a wide net to catch more fish. So far, we have learned 7 lazy ways to earn online. From using AI tools like ChatGPT for proofreading and transcription to creating faceless YouTube channels and selling AI-generated art, these methods require minimal effort. You can also automate your social media growth with like-for-like bots, promote high-ticket affiliate products, and stack passive income apps. I have a question for you. Which of these lazy money-making methods are you most excited to try? Or do you have another method that's been working for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies for making money the easy way. Thanks for watching Profitability Plus, your go-to channel for maximizing profits with minimal effort.